Greetings everyone, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal. Hey, tonight's video that you will be seeing, or today's video, wherever you might be viewing this, is a rundown for an app that I am testing and using, the Ghosttube app. It has three different things that you can get with it. The Ghosttube Original, Ghosttube SLS, and the Ghosttube VOX. Now, you can find this app both on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. They have free versions, but you don't get all the extras, the extra timing, the extra videos for it, and everything else, just with the free. You can get a year's, pay for a year's use for it, or a monthly payment, or a yearly payment for those. So I went ahead and paid for the SLS one because I'm testing it against a real SLS camera that I have, and so far everything comes out about the same. So what you are seeing now was a video taken at a deserted, rundown building that was used, that was been there since the 1800s. It was actually there during a Civil War conflict engagement. It's located in between Sherpardstown and Charlestown, right across from the river. And I met a spirit there, and I returned 2 weeks later to do a follow-up filming to see if everything worked out. Check it out in the clip. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe button. Welcome everybody in. I thank everybody who has subscribed to my channel, and come on in, guys. We have plenty of room for you. If you like this content that I'm putting out, please remember to hit that like button. Until the next time I see you, I want to say thank you all. Remember, everybody has something to say. Living in the dead, all we need to do is learn to listen. So until next time, this is Tom saying, I'll see you at the end. Bye, everybody. Are there any spirits here? My name's Tom. You can communicate with me through this device. All you have to do is say something into it. Can you do that? Or speak into this.
John.
John, is that your name? Nice to meet you, John. Like I said, my name's Tom. My name's Tom. Who else is here? Did you pass away here? Tell you what, I'm going to try something. This device I got will show me a picture of you. All you have to do is come out and stand there. That's all you've got to do. Just show yourself. Are you up there? Are you in that window? It's funny, I won't do that with that. But yeah, we'll do it with that one. Is that you, John? They won't do it with that. They won't do it with that one. Won't do it with those. You take it up there at that window. Hey John, are you here? John, remember me? I was here a couple weeks ago.
Stop.
Stop? What do you want me to stop for? Don't want me to ask you questions?
Maybe.
How old were you?
Gun.
I don't have a gun. Or did you have a gun? Did you fight in the war? I'm going to try taking your picture, so if you want to show yourself. You can show yourself for me. Come over here in this doorway or one of the windows. Wave at me. And this just goes to show you that I'm here on a different day, shooting at the same window. And the figure isn't in that window, so it's not matrixing anything that's there. Right, John? Can you go up in that window? Can you wave? Can you wave at me? Are you up in that window? Are you up in that window? Can you wave? Can you wave to me? All right. Well, thank you. You want to say goodbye? And this is my wife, John. Karen, say hi to John.
Hi, John. You here today?
Sure.
He said sure. You're mighty nice. Do you get many people stop to talk to you? It's a pretty nice app to use to talk with you, to see you.
Dangerous.
Yeah, with all the cars coming by, it is a little dangerous, isn't it? Or are you talking about this grass because of the snakes that could be in it? Well, thank you, John. Goodbye.